How to use him gift card on Uber Eats. If you want to use him gift card on Uber Eats, normally what used to happen over here is that if you wanted to use a normal gift card, you'd open the Uber Eats app, go to account section, go to wallet, go to add payment method and add a gift card option and enter the gift card pin. But in the case of him gift card or other gift card, Uber Eats does not accept restaurant gift card these days, so you can't use a him gift card on Uber Eats. However, you can actually use an Uber gift card on Uber Eats by simply going to this gift card option, but third-party stores were disabled as of December 2023, so unfortunately you won't be able to order using the him gift card or other gift card, even Chick-fil-A gift card or Starbucks gift card or maybe McDonald's gift card. You won't be able to redeem on the Uber Eats app. So I hope this video helped to clarify. If you have any questions, then feel free to of course leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.